Hey there, dream home hunters. Welcome to 227 Hearthwood Circle in the charming town of Irmo, South Carolina. This craftsman beauty is ready to make all your home dreams come true. Step inside and be wowed by the elegance and warmth of this home. With 3,250 square feet of fabulous living space, this place is perfect for both elegant entertaining and cozy family nights. Look at these acacia wood floors, pure perfection. Now, let's talk kitchen goals. This expansive kitchen has an enormous island and tall wood cabinets that scream luxury. And check out this gas stove. Chefs and home cooks alike will fall in love instantly. Plus, imagine all the natural light pouring in from the breakfast room windows while you sip your morning coffee and gaze out into your private, fenced backyard. Speaking of the backyard, can we talk about this outdoor oasis? An outdoor kitchen and a fire pit? Yes, please. Perfect for those lazy summer nights or fall gatherings with friends and family. Upstairs, the master suite is a true spa retreat, spacious with large his and her closets, a rain shower, a freestanding modern tub, and dual sinks. It's everything you've ever wanted and more. 3 more bedrooms and a spacious loft give you all the room you need for family, guests. One of these rooms even has a private bath, perfect for visitors. Located in a friendly and quiet neighborhood, this home is zoned for Ballantyne Elementary, Chapin High School, and close to Spring Hill High School. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention the 2-car garage with Craftsman built-in man cave and EV charger. BB8 not included. It's the perfect place to plant your roots and grow. So, what are you waiting for? This dream home at 227 Hearthwood Circle won't last long. If you're ready to live big and love your home, contact us today to schedule a tour. Your dream home is just one call away.